D. Is everyone's holiday over? Are you ready to study maintenance technology with us? In this episode, I will share with you how to replace the rear cover of the compiler after the fast motor is used. First, we remove the fixed screw on the rear cover of the compiler. After removing the screw, pull it slightly to remove the rear cover. After removing the rear cover, we can see the compiler. This is a fast absolute motor. Here you can see the A6 written in the back of the motor. Model with a quotation mark. This means that this motor is 23 absolute values. Next, we start to remove the compiler. First, we loosen the fixed screw on both ends of the compiler. Then, use the hexagonal wrench to remove the fixed screw on the rear end of the compiler. Next is the point that we use a hexagonal screw of M5 to screw in from the rear end of the compiler. Then, hold the motor shaft tightly and use a wrench to remove the compiler. Next, we install the compiler of the same model. There is no requirement for installation, just how to disassemble and install and no need to adjust the installation position like the previous episode of the increase the number of compilers. This installation position does not have those requirements. Just fix the compiler to the bracket. Next, we solder the plug of the compiler. If you're not experienced, you should remember to record the number of pins and color before disassembling. Just solder the color and pin number according to the record when installing. After the compiler is installed, you can power on the 0 point that we connect the drive. Here we need to pay attention to the fact that we need to use a cable to short circuit the main line of the drive. The other connections on the drive are very simple. I will not say here. Check the information yourself. After the cable and motor are connected, you can power on the power supply. After the power is connected, we will see a 49 call. 8T this time. We do not need to care about this call. We adjust the PA0 through the button. Enter the password 535, then exit the password interface to a Brett. Then press the confirm button to finish and power off and restart. After restarting, we see that the alarm has disappeared. Then we go to the PA0 input password 8888. The person who designed this password is still good. Next, we go to PA201 parameters and change the value to 1. Select the automatic tuning mode. Then go to PA4 and change it to 11 tuning mode. Then go to PA118 and change it to 1 forced mode. Next, go to PA0 and enter the password 510. To be honest, it's a bit of a hassle. The password has been entered several times. Next, we adjust the CO parameters. You will not adjust it. You can press the button according to the video that we find CO run. After pressing the confirm button, the motor will rotate. Wait for the motor to rotate and the value to appear. Then go to PA0 and enter the password 516. I don't remember how many times this is the password. The person who designed this password is still worth a greeting. After the password is entered, we go to Upset and press the confirm button to appear. After finish, it means that the parameters are saved. Next, we change PA4 to a real-time driver and adjust it to manual control mode. This is convenient for us to manually operate the motor. Then we go to JRED to manually control the motor rotation. When the motor is running smoothly and there is no alarm, it means that the compiler has been replaced and the repair is complete. Next, I will share with you the repair of the Widespeed system black screen problem. Here you can see that there is no display after the system is charged. The customer said that the processing program can be run normally. Our initial judgment is that the problem is the display screen, that we first remove the back cover of the system, then remove the fixed screw of the display control board. Pull out the connection line and you can remove the display screen. After the display screen is removed, we can remove the display control card. It should be noted that the display screen cable is relatively easy to break, so be careful when removing it. Next, we also remove the display screen and take a look. Because the light of the display screen is not on, it may be a problem with the light tube, but we usually change the display screen directly because it is not easy to repair if the display screen is broken. We can quickly find the matching display screen according to the model and label behind the display screen. After installing the display screen, we can charge it and take a look. Here you can see that the system is now displayed. Is it very simple. Next time you encounter a similar problem, you can handle it yourself. Thank you for watching and wish you a happy Mid-Autumn Festival.